Hi students. Next we are going to see how to solve the FFT problem using DIF, decimation in frequency domain, right? So this is the question. Determine the 8-point DFT of the given sequence x of n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 using radix to DIF FFT algorithm, right? So this also similar to DIF. The difference and similarities I already explained, right? So let's see how to solve the DIF method using butterfly diagram, right? So initially we are going to draw the 8 parallel line similar to DIT, right? So in DIF method the same. So this is the diagram of DIF and this is the answer of this problem, right? Let's see how to solve this method, right? So initially we need to draw the 8 parallel line similar to DIT, right? So in DIT this side is output sequence, right? So here also same, this side is output sequence, this side is output sequence and this side is input sequence. But the difference is the input is normal order, output side is bit reversal. So input is normal order means x of 0 first line, then x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6 and x of 7. So the output side is bit reversal. Already we know each sequence we have a bit reversal. 0, 0 means 0, 1 means it's a 4, 2 bit reversal is 2, 3 bit reversal is 6. So I already told we have to remember that is first 4 lines are even line, next 4 lines are odd line. So in even line x of 0 order, then x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3 and x of 7. Is it clear? So but in DIT the output is normal order, input is bit reversal. But DIF the input is normal order, output is bit reversal. The next step is we are going to draw the butterfly diagram. In DIT the first stage is to combine the two lines, right? But in DIF the first stage is we are going to combine four lines. That is the first line is joined to fifth line. First line is joined to fifth line and second line is joined to sixth line. Third line is joined to seventh line. Fourth line is joined to eighth line. So likewise fifth line is joined to first line and sixth line is joined to second line. Seventh line is joined to third line. Eighth line is joined to fourth line. So this is the first stage for DIF and the second stage is we have to combine four lines. That is the first line is joined to third line, second line is joined to fourth line, third line is joined to first line, fourth line is joined to second line, likewise. Okay, and the third stage is 2 line. Right? So I hope you all understand the difference between DIT and DIF in terms of the diagram, right? So the next step is going to multiply the -1. So -1 is common. In DIT, DIF, what we have done, the same we have to do for DIF, right? -1 multiplication, right? But the multiplication of tittle factor is in DIT we have multiplied in front of this line, but in DIF we are going to multiply the back side of these lines. But then 8 line for this stage we are going to multiply 4 tittle factor, W8 power 0, W8 power 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the same W8 power 0, W8 power 1, W8 power 2, W8 power 3. So for 4 lines W8 power 0, W8 power 2. So here W8 power 0, W8 power 2. For 2 stage, W8 power 0, W8 power 0, W8 power 0, W8 power 0, right? So this is the difference in DIT and DF, where DIT we have multiplied this twiddle factor in front of each lines, but DIF it's multiplied in back side of each stage, right? That is the difference. So the next remaining steps are same. That is first to find the values of each line. Then by using this value, we are going to find this value, and then finally we have to find this value. So this method is same. Okay, let's see. Then the twiddle factor value also same. W8 power 0 equal to 1, W8 power 1 equal to W8 power 0 equal to 1, W8 power 1 equal to 0.707 minus J 0.707, right? W8 power 2 equal to minus J, W8 power 3 equal to minus 0.707 minus J 0.707. So these values are common, right? Now first to find the values of this point. So for this, to add x of 0 lion plus x of 4 lion, right? To add x of 0 plus x of 4 to get that value, x of 0 plus x of 4 value. So the given input is what? So the sequence is x of n equal to, what is the problem? X of n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now to write this input value for this order. So x of 0 value is 1, x of 1 value is 2, x of 0 value is 0, x of 1 value is 1, x of 2 value is 2, 3 value is 3, 4 value is 4, 5 value is 5, 6 value is 6, 7 value is 7. These values are given in that question, right? So if x of 0 value is 1 plus x of 4 value is 4. So the answer is 5. So this value is 5. Then find this point. So this point is nothing but x of 1 line is added with x of 5 line. So x of 1 line is added with x of 5. That is 1 plus, x of 0 answer is 0 plus x of 4 answer is 4. So which is nothing but 4, right? So here the value is 4. Then x of 1 value is 1, x of 5 value is 5. So the value is 6. So this value is 6. Next to find this factor. So we have to add x of 2 lion plus x of 6 lion. So x of 2 plus x of 6. So 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So this value is 8. Then this line. This line is nothing but x of 3 plus x of 7. So 3 plus 7 equal to 10. Right? So here we have to notice one point. In DIT, every line is multiplied with twiddle factor, right? They have to find DIT problem. Already I explained this problem DIT. So in DIT, every value is multiplied with twiddle factor. But in DIF, the first 4 line is not multiplied with twiddle factor. These 4 lines are multiplied with twiddle factor for each line, right? So let's see. For finding this point, we are going to add x of 0 value. We are going to add x of 0 value with x of 4. X of 4 is multiplied by minus. So we are using minus sign is multiplied with x of 4. After this 2 line is combining, then it is multiplied with twiddle factor. Once the 2 lines are joined, then it's multiplied with twiddle factor. So here the twiddle factor is common for these both 2 terms, right? Whereas in DIT, the twiddle factor is only for that particular line only, right? But in DIF, this twiddle factor is common for both the line. Okay, it's clear? The next step is, x of 0 value is 0, x of 4 value is 4 into W8 power 0 value is 1. So which is nothing but minus 4, right? So the answer is minus 4. Then this line is nothing but x of 1 line. x of one line is, that is x of one line is added with x of 5. X of 5 is multiplied with minus 1. So we can use minus sign into x of 5. After these two lines are joined, then W8 1 factor is multiplied. W8 1 factor is multiplied. So x of 1 value is 1 minus 5 into W8 power 1 value is 0.707 minus j 0.707. Okay, this is multiplication. So we multiply these two terms. We get the answer is 2.828 plus j 2.828. Okay. So by using calculator, you can easily multiply these two factors. We get the answer is this one. Right. Then the answer is what? 2.828 plus j 2.828. And this value is x of 2 line. X of 2 line is added with x of 6. X of 6 is multiplied with minus 1. So we are using minus n into x of 6. After that, total factor W8 power 2 is multiplied. So x of 2 value is 2. 6 value is 6 into W8 power 2 is minus j. So minus 4 into minus j equal to plus 4j. So this answer is plus 4j. And then last line. So last line is x of 3 is added with x of 7. Actually x of 7 is multiplied with minus 1. So x of 3 minus x of 7. Afterwards we are going to multiply W8 power 3. W8 power 3 value is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So 3 minus 7 into minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. After using calculator, after simplification, we get the answer is 2.828 plus j 2.828. So this answer is 2.828 plus j 2.828. Okay, so first term is we have calculated. Next to find this value. So this value is nothing but x of 4 is added with 8. So 4 plus 8, 12. Then this value x of 6 is added with 10. So 10 plus 6, 16. But this two line is multiplied with total factor. So it is different, right? That is, this line is nothing but 4 value is added with minus 8. Because here minus sign is multiplied. So 4 value is minus 8 into W8 power 0. So minus 4 into 1 minus 4. So this answer is minus 4. And this line is 6 value is added with 10. So 6 value is added with 10, but 10th line is multiplied with minus 1. So we are using minus symbol into W8 power 2. So which is nothing but minus 4 into minus j is equal to plus 4j. Right? So the answer is plus 4j. So likewise we are finding these 4 lines. This value is minus 4 plus 4j. So minus 4 plus 4j, and this line is 2.828 plus j 2.828 is added with 2.828 plus j 2.828. Okay, so the answer is j 5.656. Likewise these two lines, minus 4 minus 4j answer. Here minus j 5.656. So then third stage, finding this value. 12 is added with 16. We get 28. And here 12 minus 16 into W8 power 0. That is 12 minus 16 into W8 power 0. So it is nothing but minus 4. Right? So the answer is minus 4. So likewise we are finding all these values. Right? So here answer is minus 4 plus 4j. The answer is minus 4 minus 4j. Minus 4 plus j 9.656. Here answer is minus 4 plus j 1.656. Minus 4 minus j 9.656. Minus 4 plus j 1.656. So far we find all the values. So finally we are going to take final answer like this. That is the x of k. X of k is nothing but DFT of x of n. So we are going to arrange the order wise, but in DIF the output is not order wise. It's a bit reversal, right? So first to write x of 0 value. So x of 0 value is 28. So 28. Next one, x of 1 value. So x of 1 line is this line. So this answer is -4 plus j x of 1 value is -4 plus j 9.656, right? Then x of 2 line is this one. This answer is -4 plus 4j. Then x of 3 line is here, right? So this answer is -4 minus j 9.656. Then x of 4 value is this one, -4. So -4. Then x of 5 value is -4 plus j. X of 5 value is -4 plus j 9.656. Then x of 6 value is this line, -4 minus 4j. So -4 minus 4j. X of 7 value is this line, -4 plus j 1.65. So this is the DFT of given sequence answer, right? So likewise we are going to take the normal order wise 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is it clear?